All right, today we're diving into something that's totally shaking up the fashion world. It's called Persona, the AI fashion studio, and it's a tool that might just make the classic photo shoot a thing of the past. Okay, so let me ask you this. Imagine you could pull off a professional fashion shoot, but without a camera, without a model, without even a location. I know, it sounds a little bit like sci-fi, right? But that's the exact idea we're digging into today.
I mean, let's be real for a second. The old school photo shoot, it's a nightmare of logistics and money. You've got to hire models, scout locations, book expensive photographers, the list just goes on. It's a huge drain on time and cash, and for smaller brands or indie designers, it can be a total deal breaker.
But this is what technology does best, right? It opens up a new door. It gives us a completely new way to create, to bring a vision to life without all those old roadblocks. And that new way? It's called Persona. The whole idea is actually pretty simple, but man, is it powerful. Think of it as your own personal AI photo shoot studio.
And what it promises to do is, well, pretty transformative. It takes your designs, your digital wardrobe, and turns them into something that just grabs your attention. It's that wow factor, but you get it in seconds.
When you get right down to it, it's all about these three simple things: style, create, and sell. That's the whole pipeline, from start to finish, and it's all driven by AI.
Okay, so what is Persona, officially? Well, it's an AI platform that lets you take a picture of your clothes and then, bam, it generates these hyper-realistic, pro-level photos and videos. And the kicker? You do it all without ever touching a physical camera.
Now that all sounds amazing, but the big question is, how? How does it actually work? How do you go from, say, a flat picture of a t-shirt to an entire full-blown campaign? All right, let's break it down. Okay, so the process itself is designed to be super simple. First, you just upload images of your clothes, flat shots. Then, you build out your virtual wardrobe. Think of it like a digital closet for all your designs. And then, the magic happens. Step 3, you just hit generate, and the AI does the rest, creating the whole photo shoot with your clothes on these virtual models. And this is where the creative freedom just explodes. Seriously, you're not stuck with what's nearby or what you can afford. You want your new line to be shot on a chic street in Paris? No problem. Or maybe a sun-drenched beach in Bali. You could do that too. All of it, right from your desk. But here's the thing. This is way more than just a camera placement. What's really cool is that it's trying to be your entire creative department, all wrapped up in one tool. It's a whole suite of features. And when I say a complete toolkit, I mean it. We're talking way beyond photos. It can generate videos for your social media ads. It can even write the captions and come up with hashtags for you. It's got this AI stylist that checks out current trends and helps you put together looks that'll actually sell. You can get those clean ghost mannequin shots for your website. Really, it's the whole shebang for fashion marketing. Someone described it as having a virtual fashion editor at your fingertips, and that's just a perfect way to put it. That's what the AI stylist does. It looks at your entire collection, figures out the core styles, and then suggests these on-trend outfits. It's basically doing the job a human editor would do right before a huge shoot. So when you actually put the two methods side by side, wow, the difference is just staggering. We're talking about taking something that takes weeks or months and shrinking it down to minutes. The cost? It plummets from thousands of dollars to a tiny fraction of that. And your creative control, it goes from being tied down by logistics to being, well, completely limitless.
So, what's the big picture here? What does this all mean for the fashion industry? Well, it's all about democratizing access. It's about leveling the playing field. All of a sudden, that high-end, super professional marketing isn't just for the big-name fashion houses. It's now in the hands of independent designers, small online shops, and even solo creators.
This technology really boils the whole complicated process of a fashion campaign down to its absolute core. All the logistics, the insane costs, the time, all of it just kind of melts away. And what you're left with is just one thing. All you need now is one single, powerful idea.
And that kind of leaves us with one last big question to chew on, right? If you can generate a high-fashion photo shoot, a video campaign, a whole social media strategy, all from your laptop, what does that really mean for the future of fashion? I mean, when the entire studio can fit right in your pocket, what happens to the runway?